In today's video, I will teach you how you can use CoinMarketCap, okay? How you can actually take advantage on this one, okay? How you can use it really free, really easy, so that you can track all of your tokens, okay? It will be easier for you to track, to know what are the current prices. And of course, it is available on website, it is available on mobile, and even on the application or your mobile and stuff. So the first thing that you can see here is, of course, if you're gonna go into a coin market cap, okay, you can see here that there's around 10,000 cryptos going on. Okay, so this 10,087 cryptos, as you can see here, this one right here, okay, this one is like the coins that are listed inside CoinMarketCap. Okay, so there are a lot of coins out there. There are even more than 20,000, 30,000. But what I mean here is these 10,087 cryptos here are just the ones that are listed inside CoinMarketCap. And of course, the exchanges, as I'm saying, this is the listed exchanges. If you are familiar with Binance, if you are familiar with Huobi, if you are familiar with BitMEX, Bitmart, Ascendex, and all of those exchanges, it is just listed the exchanges here. And as you can see here, there are more than 1.7 trillion market cap circulating into the cryptocurrency, that has a 144 million 24-hour volume, and the dominance right here. So this is the dominance, as you can see. Bitcoin is 42.7 and Ethereum is on at 18.8. So they are pretty much in par right now, because I think before Bitcoin dominance was around 55% and ETH dominance was around 7%. So it is because of the improvements as well that has made into the Ethereum platform. So as you can see here, this is the cryptocurrencies, the top cryptocurrencies, just by basing it onto the market cap. As you can see here, there are more than 735 million market cap on Bitcoin, that has a volume of 47 million, which in totals of 1.2 million BTC. And there's also circulating supply, so it can actually help you here, because the higher the market cap, okay, excuse me, it makes it more valuable. Okay, so as you can see here, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Polkadot, USD Coin, Internet Computer, and even Uniswap. So there's a lot of this one. Okay, so as you can see, this is the current price. As you can see, this is the 24-hour percentage. Okay, so this will explain, okay, how much it increases. Okay, so as you can see here, it increases by around 0.46%, which is not that bad at all. And if we're gonna go to the 7-day chart, it actually goes down by 1.57%. Okay, so you can actually toggle this one right here just by filtering it. Not actually, I'm going to explain it to you. So if you want to see what are the current coins that are pumping inside CoinMarketCap, just click this one right here. Okay, so it will show you the highest. Okay, so as you can see here, Bakery token is 20% up, EOS is up by 16%, and of course you click it again to see what are the coins that are really losing for the last 24 hours, which is the same right here. You click this one, this is this one is pumping, and then when you click this one again, then you can see that Waves and Terra are dropping. So this is pretty okay. So that is it for that one. So it is really easy to log in here. Okay, just create an account. Okay, so I'm going to put my account here. So I'm going to transfer it first. Okay, so I've logged in inside CoinMarketCap. So for you to see, okay, how your portfolio, just go into to this little button right here, into this one. So I didn't really update this one already, but I mean, this is what I'm currently holding, not updated actually. It I'm pretty much outdated on this one. And then as you can see, there will be something like this. Okay, let me just switch this one into the, wait for a moment. So you can see that this is the line chart. Okay, the status of your investments. As you can see here, it dips, then it goes up, and that's pretty much it. I mean, you put all of the coins that you've bought, okay, so that you can track it here, and it will give you pretty much better. Uh, what do you mean by that? It gives you a better control, okay, and for you not to forget all of the coins that you've bought. So there's also exchanges here, which is pretty much similar with cryptocurrencies. As you can see, Binance is the highest one, which that has a 9.9 exchange score. So for that is for the spot. For the derivatives, I think they are also number one. For the DEX, Pancake Swap is the number one, and for the lending, Venus is the number one. So for the NFTs, okay, you can actually just go here, just click this one. These are the NFTs that are pretty much pumping and has a really high worth. So as you can see, CryptoPunks, rare, super rare, Me Bits, the sandbox and stuff. So for the watch list, you can actually add your coins right here, and then it will update you every 24 hours about what happens. Okay, so it's pretty much cool because it will give you a push notifications into your phone so that you won't miss out actually. So for the calendars, you can see some of the free airdrops, some of the free ICO calendars right here. As you can see, there's the ongoing projects right here. There's an upcoming project as well, which of course gives you the exact date, the exact hour, okay, and the goal of the project as well. And you can actually learn as well, learn and earn. As you can see, there's an Alexandria, there's some market updates, there's a glossary, there's a newsletter, there's even a methodology. So you see here, you learn crypto, you earn crypto. So you learn something, you complete a quiz, and then you're going to create crypto. You're going to earn crypto. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to tackle this in the future videos to come. So how you can earn by learning crypto. So this will be a separate video here. So that I think that's pretty much it. I mean, just be careful I mean to make sure that your account is I mean you've put your password into some notebook so that you won't miss this out. So I think that is it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something for this video, and I'm going to be back for more cryptocurrency updates, more cryptocurrency tutorials, just for you guys and for a lot of newbies out there that are watching this one. So see you and have a good day.